So we've got a question here that talks about a clay model. It's saying that they're mathematically similar. So it's got a clay model and a clay statue. So it's going to turn this model into an actual statue. So we've got to be thinking about, what does that mean? Well, they're 3D models. So we're going to have to think what that tells us. Well, mathematically similar, we know that we're dealing with either a linear scale factor, an area scale factor, or a volume scale factor. And the relationship is that the linear scale factor is always the new length divided by the old length of lengths. Area scale factor is always equivalent to the linear scale factor squared when you're talking about mathematically similar shapes, and the volume scale factor is always equivalent to the linear scale factor cubed. So we know those relationships hold for mathematically similar shapes, and basically the information should allow us to calculate one of these at least to then work out the other ones. Because this is about a model in 3D, then when we want to work out mass, then mass is related to density, and therefore it's working with the volume scale factor, because density is about mass divided by volume. So we need to calculate the volume scale factor. But the information they've given us only gives us the area information. So the first thing we're going to do is work out the area scale factor, which will be the new area divided by the old area. So 42.25. We want the volume scale factor, so we'll have to work out the linear scale factor. So the area scale factor is equal to the linear scale factor squared. So the linear scale factor is equal to the square root of the area scale factor. So we square root 42.25, which equals 6.5. So the volume scale factor is equal to the linear scale factor cubed. So we're doing 6.5 cubed. So 274.625. So what this means is the statue clay mass is going to equal the volume scale factor, 274.625, times the amount of clay used to make the model. So 549.25 kilograms. So that's the mass of clay needed, but it's sold in bags of 10. So again, we're going through the information carefully. So it's sold in bags of 10 kilograms. So we're going to have to divide this by 10. So number of bags is 549.25 divided by 10. So 54.9, can't have a part of a bag, so we need 55 bags to make sure we've got enough clay, because we'll have to have more clay than what we need, and can't buy less. So the answer to this question is 55 bags. The key to this question though is to notice key language, underline key facts, and ask yourself then, what do I know about that? Well, mathematically similar shapes in 3D, then we know that we're dealing with linear scale factors, area scale factors and volume scale factors and their relationships to the linear scale factor, and there must be some information within the question to allow us to calculate the one of the scale factors, and from that one scale factor we then work out the other two. That's how that question could be answered, guys.